You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than 11 over 4 smaller than 23 over 4. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 3 over 4 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than 11 over 4 smaller than 23 over 4.